Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I already looked at everything, and Mom, if you're watching this, thank you so much. So let's get into it. Alright, so last unicorn. It's an early birthday gift, and this stuff is from Claire's, just so you know. I was at Claire's like a few weeks ago, and I saw these and I really wanted them. Alright. So first we have what? Anyways, my brother just gave me some chocolate. So but as I was saying, I'm gonna show you. And yes, I have glasses. You see them? They're blue, and they have like little animals on the side. It's so cute. So, and they're real glasses because my vision isn't good. So, as I was going in, this is Unicorn Glimmer Wish Body Wash. Everything smells like cotton candy, and it's so cute, and I love it. My mom was gonna get me the mermaid kit. This is the unicorn one, and everything was gonna be mermaid. But there's one thing that wasn't mermaid, like they're sold out. So she just got me the whole unicorn set, which I like more. Thank you, Mom. So this is body wash. This is the unicorn shampoo. I can smell the cotton candy from here. I've got the unicorn conditioner. So cute. Look, this is the family. The dad, the mom, and the daughter. Me, my mom, and then my dad. Okay, anyways. Then I got this hand sanitizer. And this doesn't smell like cotton candy. It smells like something else, but it's also really good. I honestly kind of like this smell more than the cotton candy. So, and by the way, I just got this stuff right now, so I haven't used any of the stuff yet. Okay. And then I got this body butter. Yeah, body butter. This is what it looks like. So it has like this. If you don't know what body butter is, it's technically like lotion, but so yeah, it's like lotion. And then this is what it looks like. I haven't touched it yet, like I said. So, like I said, everything smells like cotton candy, like literally everything except for the hand sanitizer. Now, one of my favorite parts. I got the detangler mist. This is like hairspray. And then my most favorite, a unicorn brush. I'm gonna take it out and show it to you guys. So, wait. Alright, so this is the unicorn side. And then this is the brush. We're gonna do an ASMR break. Okay, that's not ASMR. Bye. Anyways, that's all for today. Anyways, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love ya. Peace. Subscribe.